Recommended for ages 3 to 6. 3-in-1 design features toy storage and an adjustable easel that retracts to reveal a spacious desktop. Set includes magnetic dry erase board, stool and large removable fabric toy bin, features toy organizer on the reverse side for toys, books and art supplies. Assembled dimensions, in inches, 20 width by 19.7 depth by 32.3 height, stool measures, in inches, 11 stool holds up to 50 pounds. Easy assembly, surface wipes clean easily. Top reviews from the United States. Like it. Very hard to put all pieces together since the instructions were so hard to understand, felt like a difficult math problem, smiley face.